All right, number 8. In the equation above, which of the following is a possible value of x plus 1? Okay, and the equation is x plus 1 equal to 2 over x plus 1. Okay, so this is the equation that we have. We could try to solve for x from the equation, and then we can solve for x plus 1, but then it will be rather difficult to do because we have to first multiply by x plus 1 on both sides, right, to cancel out the denominator. But if you do that on the left side, we'll end up as like a quadratic. Okay, I think it's better if you just plug in the answer choices and try them out. Okay, but you want to keep in mind, since this question we're solving for not just x, but x plus 1. So the answer choices, they represent x plus 1 as a group. Okay, so if you plug in, we're going to replace the x plus 1. Okay, not just x. Okay, so if we're going to solve by plugging in, let's start with the easier numbers. Okay, let's try the whole numbers first. So if you try 2, well, that works, right? If x plus 1 is 2, then we get 2 equal to 2 over 2. See, x plus 1 is 2, right? We get 2 equal to 2 over 2, which was 2 over 2, that's equal to 1, right? 2 equal to 1, that's not true. Okay, so this is not true. So number 8 is not the answer. Letter C is not the answer. Okay, and then if we try 4, this will give us 1. So x plus 1 equal to 2 over x plus 1. So we do 4 here, it'll be 4 equal to 2 over 4. We get 4 equal to 1/2, and that's once again it's not true, right? 4 is not equal to 1/2, so we can eliminate D. All right. So now we're left as A or B. So, well, let's start with the easier one. Okay, so out of these two, the easier one is the square root 2. So we're gonna replace x plus 1 with square root 2. Well, that worked. We get square root 2, you got 2 over square root 2. You could use a calculator with this, right? So we can just type in on the right side, we can do 2 divided by square root 2 and solve that, okay, and see if it's equal to square root 2 on the left. But if you want to simplify this on the right side, we can rationalize the denominator. If we multiply this by square root 2 over square root 2, right, this will give us on the top 2 times square root 2. On the bottom, square root 2 times square root 2 is square root of 4. Okay. And then we keep on simplifying this here, square root of 4 on the bottom is just equal to 2. So you get 2 times square root 2 over 2, which you see the 2's happen to cancel. So we get square root 2 equals square root 2. Okay, so 2 over square root 2 is actually equal to square root 2. So this is true. Okay, it's actually equal. Okay, so then if that works, then that should be our answer. Okay, so letter B should be our final answer for number 8.